It's soccer day. I brought my laptop, so hopefully I can try to get some work done while I'm waiting in the car.
Manish on the beach, shebang. All of my ops say that.
It's literally like 96 degrees today. And yes, I'm wearing a hoodie. Anytime my house is at 70 degrees or lower with the AC on, I am freezing now. My anemia has just gotten pretty bad with that. I'm assuming that's what it is. Who knows? Oh! I dropped my phone. This Michael Kors purse literally holds so much stuff. I have my MacBook in here, all my Osmo Pocket camera stuff in here, my wallet, hand sanitizer, lotions, glasses cases, AirPods. When my son was younger, I even used it for a diaper bag. Cheers. Got my nails done yesterday. How cute. It's almost 8:20 and practice just ended. Now we're heading home. It's 9:25 and I'm gonna make myself some top ramen. My kids all had dinner, so us adults are fending for ourselves. And of course my camera needs to charge because I didn't charge it in a long time. So I'm gonna finish making this and I will see you guys later.